Falls, New Mexico. Just giving you an update on my garden. As you can see, it is so green. I'm just loving it. I'm loving coming outside and seeing green in the garden instead of brown, dried crap. So, big deal for me to have a garden that's alive and growing.
Hey folks, this is James from the barn asking you to help us today. If you've been watching these programs, please like and share. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. We need to get the algorithms up so we can reach a lot more people. It's really important for people to get this message and begin growing food, whether they're getting it from me or others, but it really help us to get this out. Thank you for your help.
I'm just loving it. I'm loving coming outside and seeing green in the garden. So, big deal for me to have a garden that's alive and growing. So, we've got the lemongrass and the cucumbers, the parsley, the peppers, and the okra, which I am just so impressed with. And these okra flowers are beautiful. They're just beautiful. I love coming out and seeing them. So they drop off. They bloom for a day, I believe. I might be wrong, but I think they bloom for a day, then they shrivel up like this, and then when they fall off, the okra comes. So, like, here's one that will be harvested probably tomorrow. There's another one down there. You can see it. Yeah, there you go. And I've gotten a couple off already. We will be using those. I'm going to be freezing those and then using them for gumbo when the time is right. But look at these tomatoes. Just beautiful. And the basils are coming along really good. Finally starting to bush a little bit instead of just being that one stalk. So we've been pinching those back and trying to get those to grow, and they're doing really good. I mean, they're going. Our rosemary's still doing good. It actually is growing. It had been the same size for so long, but now it is kind of growing. I think these other plants are helping it out. But yeah, look at all the tomatoes on there. These cucumbers and the peppers. You can kind of see.